Be honest, have you ever turned the music up just so you don't hear that rattling under your car? Yeah, we see this every single day at Reasonable Mufflers. That noise you're ignoring? It's usually a loose heat shield or muffler. And I get it, turning up the volume is way easier than dealing with it. But here's the thing, that rattle isn't gonna fix itself. The longer you wait, the worse it gets. So if you're tired of pretending your exhaust sounds like a feature, come see us. We'll actually fix it so you can enjoy your music in peace.